Hey, what's up? Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how fast my fidget spinner goes. I got the timer right here. So here you go. Oh, I did it wrong side. I did it wrong side. Oops, so I'm gonna start it at 10. So go follow me on this Instagram account. It is, let me concentrate it to the camera. My Instagram is, why can't I show it? So it is Valenta Cervantes. It is just Valenta Cervantes. Valenta Cervantes. It's with a C, not a S. A Z, a C. A C, okay? So, yeah. So that is it for right now. So, sí, no, está en el baño. Ahorita, Emma. So, my mom just came in. She did not like to be in video, so that's why I didn't record her. So let me just put her phone to charge, and I'll see you when I put her phone to charge. So I came back. I have my homework right here. So, and I got a big shout out to Christopher TDM with the capital T and space T, I think. Sorry about that. And yeah, hope you guys like this video, and yeah, sorry about the too much talking and the too much following. Not following. So hope you guys liked it, and see you next video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification.